Tell the Forbes, wait a minute, I'm coming. Gotta speak things into existence. That's how you let the universe know your intentions. God already wrote it, so he patient. You either complacent or come take it.
US30 break hearts, man. It broke my heart. That was the first time, though. That was the first time. The second time, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video is me sharing my story of how I blew my account for a second time. I blew my account 3 times. It was twice on US30, 1 time on gold, and I'm sharing the second time I blew my account. I don't even know why I be sharing this stuff, but maybe this can make like other traders feel better, because I feel like everybody have their turn. I said that on my first blown account video. Everybody's gonna have their turn. Okay, so this is my second time going around this little bullshit that happens to all of us. I feel like everybody blow their account at least once before they actually start seeing some real progression. So okay, let's get into it. So I was trading US30. I do not know what day it fell on, but I knew that it was bouncing off a level of resistance. Okay, and after blowing my first account, I'm like, okay, I gotta do something different. So let me trade on the 1 hour. Okay, so I was trading US30 on the 1 hour. Now you know how many, your stop loss is going to be extremely big if you're just strictly trading the 1 hour chart on US30. You know how many pips that's going to be. That's going to be something crazy. So during this time, I was a beginner, and again, I guess I was just in the mentality of trying to flip. Now I'm gonna tell you exactly how much I lost at the end of this video. Okay, but so it was bounced off a level of resistance on the 1 hour. I was getting ready to sell. I did check news this time. Okay, if you didn't watch my blown account video, the first one, you knew I blew my account because I didn't check news. Now this specific time, I checked news. There was no news. Okay, so I was getting ready for this sale. It was bounce off a level of resistance, and it was start breaking structure. So I took the sale. Right when I took the sale, I had my stop loss above the resistance. Okay, so it's dropping, you know what I'm saying? I'm in profit a little bit, and then it started going up. I'm like, okay, maybe, you know, this is a little fluctuation, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to act like a real disciplined trader. Like, you know, when you in a losing trade, you be trying to be disciplined, like, okay, just be cool. No, I was already panicking at that moment, but again, I have to play it off like I'm not panicking. So it was pulling up a little bit. I was in like maybe $200, $300 drawdown. Now at this point, I put at least, how much I have in my account? I had like $1,300 or $1,400 in my account. Okay, so it's going up. I'm like in negative like $200, maybe $300. Now that's over leveraging. Like I only have $1,300, $1,400 in my account, but I'm already in drawdown of negative 300. Like it was up in that range, so I'm already kind of like sweating bullets. Like damn, like it's nowhere near my stop loss, and I'm already in negative hundreds. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm already kind of panicking. But again, I'm trying to play it off like this shit is not affecting me, which it really was in the first damn place. So so it's fluctuating, but it's not near my stop loss, but I'm still sweating bullets. So it did like a engulf, a big ass engulfing candle going against me. So mind you, I'm taking a sell off resistance, but it was a big ass engulf going in my direction. I mean, not in my direction, but going towards my stop loss. So I'm like, bro, what the fuck? So that big ass engulf, okay, so say this is my stop loss. This engulf was like maybe this close. At that point, I'm already negative $800. Now you have to remember, this is a 1 hour setup. So I'm thinking about the win, but I'm not thinking about the loss. See, that's where I went wrong at. I'm thinking about, oh my god, I can get like a $1,000 win or $700 win. But if you lose, how much is that loss going to be? So as it's going up, I'm literally praying to the Forex gods, like, bro, please, bro, like, this is all the money I have. Now, mind you, that's all the money that I have. I didn't have no money stacked up at that time. You know what I'm saying? I think that was off of maybe a refund check or something. You know what I'm saying? When I was in college, I just saved up like a little refund check. So that's all the money that I had. I only had like $1,300, $1,400 in this account. So as it's heading towards my damn stop loss, this is what I did. I clicked off of TradingView, and I just said, okay, if I get off the chart, maybe it'll go in my favor. That's when you praying for a trade to play out. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just like, you know what, I'm just gonna just, you know, enter the trade, throw it away, and then I look at it. That don't work every time. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I put it in my head like, okay, if I don't look at it, it's our fluctuates gonna go in my favor. By the time I come to the chart or look at my phone, I'm gonna be in profit. No, you know what I'm saying? I stepped away for like 20-30 minutes, came back to the chart, and hit my stop loss. And I was so scared to look at the results because I was looking at TradingView, but I didn't look at my like the MT4 as far as the money amount. So I'm like, bro, I'm so scared to look at how much I lost. I opened up my phone, went to the history. It was $1,200 gone. And I'm just like, bro, what are you doing? Like, then I got the, again, every time when I blow my account, I'll be like, bro, this I can't do this shit no more. Like, that's literally how I feel every time I blow my account. Like, those 3 times, I'm like, you know what? I have to find something else to do. Like, this shit is not working. This shit is a scam. Like, that's how I felt. And I was left with $100. It was like $125, some shit like that. I was left with $100. And I'm just like, it's no way I'm gonna build $100 back to $1,300, $1,400. It was no way. So I lost all that money in one day. That was one trade, US30. I took a sell. That shit ended up, I think I was part of liquidity. I'm gonna be honest. I think I was part of liquidity. I had my stop loss above resistance. It was clear. I feel like all the setup that's so like clear, like the whole world can see the setup. Those are the setups that's gonna fake you out, or it's a setup. Like, it's literally a setup. Like, you put your stop loss right there, they're gonna act like they're gonna go down, and then they're gonna go get you. So I just felt like I was just part of liquidity. But the main issue as to why I blew my account that day was because I didn't calculate my risk. I was so focused on the win, like, bro, this is gonna be a big win, that I didn't focus on the loss. I didn't know how much I was going to lose if I lost. And bro, that when I blew my account that time, I took a long break. You know what I'm saying? Like, that second time, like that first time I blew my account, it was like, oh my god, like I was heartbroken. But that second time I blew it, I'm like, man, okay, let me really take a step back and like get my shit together, because that shit hurt me. The first time hurt me more, but the second time it was like, okay, what is you doing wrong, bro? Like, okay, really evaluate. Okay, what could have you done to do better? You know what I'm saying? So that was a pivotal point. Now again, I blew my account for a third time with gold, but US30. Right now I don't really care too much about it, but back then I was just so afraid to touch US30, especially that second time. Like, it do something to your mental when you blow your account on a specific pair or indice or whatever, and you just be like, man, fuck this fucking pair, bro. Like, dog, like you'll feel like this specific instrument is going against you. Like, it's literally like this is a op. Like, this is an op right here. But yeah, after I blew it, yeah, I took a long break. I took like 2 weeks off. I didn't look at a chart. I didn't go on YouTube. I didn't do anything. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do anything. I was just going to work. You know, I was just going to work, just pissed off. Like, bro, what the fuck I'm gonna do? Like, you know what I'm saying? Then I started listening to podcasts, and then I get to hearing like, don't give up. Like, it's just like the universe just be in line, like in synchronicities. Like, okay, don't give up, don't quit. I get to hearing that shit, so then I hop right back into it like 2 weeks later, and yeah, then a couple more months after that, I blew my account with gold. But US30, it's no bad blood with US30. I feel like I've made my money back and some, especially trading Nasdaq 100. I made my money back and quadruple that. So yeah, US30. That day, I'm telling you, like, when you blow your account, you gonna be discouraged. That's gonna happen. You're gonna be discouraged. You're gonna feel like this might not be for you, because you hear about all these statistics, like 90% of traders don't make it, and then you be like, damn, maybe I'm that 90%. You know what I'm saying? But then you just push through it, and like, you will know, like, if trading is for you. Like, can you handle the drawdown? Like, can you handle the adversity to get to the other side of being profitable? So like, it was really tough. I ain't gonna lie, it was really tough. And I was just ready to just break everything. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like $1,300, well, $1,200 gone in a day. Like, that's a lot of money to you when you don't have no money. Like, for real. Like, that was like, I'm like, damn, my whole damn refund check gone. Like, the whole shit gone. Like, so yeah, whoever blew their account, I know your pain, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, somebody messaged me today, like they blew their account on that NAS 100 drop today, and I'm just like, hey, join the club, you know what I'm saying? Like, I blew my account 3 times, you know what I'm saying? After that, I was done with that. I'm like, okay, I'm putting some real money in there, practicing good risk management, and I'm not blowing my account ever again in my life. So I hope y'all can resonate with me blowing my account. I know some of y'all have blew your account. Comment below what pair blew your account. Let's just be real in the comment section. What pair blew you? You know what I'm saying? I know US30, I still don't like it. Like, even if I get a good win, I still don't like US30 regardless. I'm never gonna forget that day. Both of those days. Never. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just share these little stories just for like beginners that really be feeling kind of down when they like lose big or they blow their account. I've been there too. Like, I'm not saying I'm like a damn guru or like the best trader in the world, but we all lose money. Like, that's just part of the game. And part of the game is also blowing your account at the beginning, because you losing all that money is gonna it's gonna make you want to correct yourself. Like, you don't want to lose no more money like that, especially that fast. Like, come on, $1,200, come on. That's like 3 weeks worth of 9 to 5, like literally. So that shit hurt me. But yeah, that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.